So this would be 11 minus 8 is 3. So this is not a square, but it is also a rectangle. So this would be 12 centimeter square. And we'll be adding 12 to 8 7 the 56. And this would be 68 centimeter square. So Sarthak, now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Great, sir. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, how to do B part? Mr. Satya, B part? Yeah. Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
How to do B part?
So it would be 14. The top one is 14, and the below one is 3 and 3. So which would be 6. So then I added 8 over there. So the red box will be 8.
Okay.
So 8 plus 6 is 14. So I
Yeah.
got that.
Perfect.
Then on the right side it is 10 centimeter, and on the left side it's 3. So to make it 10, I subtracted 10 minus 3, so it would be 7 centimeters.
Great.
Then to find the area of the A part, I did 14 into 3. So it would be 42 centimeters square.
Okay. And for B?
Then to find B, I did 7. 1 second, sir.
Yeah, this is 7.
Yeah, 7 into 3. No,
7
this
into?
would be 8, sorry. 7 into 8, which would be 56.
Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, how to do C part?
So the A in the for the A part, the mm, we'll do 5 into 11, so 55 centimeters square. And then for the B part, this will the length will be 7 centimeters because the left rectangle is 5 and the right one is 6. So I added it and then subtracted it by 18, so 7.
What would be the area of A?
So it will be 55 centimeters square,
B?
35 centimeters square,
C?
48 centimeters square.
Satya, is it okay? Satya, is it
Yes.
okay? And then you'll add these 55 plus 35 plus 48 and you'll get the final answer. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, how to do D part?
So I didn't understand D part.
Okay, Satya, have you done B part?
Yes.
How to do it?
First, I got the answer of the red box. So I subtracted 15 by 9. So I got 6.
Okay, after this?
Then I found the area of the rectangle below. So I did 12 into 6, which would be 72 centimeters square.
Okay,
Then I found the area of the upper part, which would be 9 into 12 centimeter, which would be 108 centimeters square.
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See the area of the parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram is given by base into height. Now the base is equal to 12. This is the base. And the height is 9. So 12 into 9. This would be 108. And then we have the rectangle. The rectangle is simple. The rectangle is 12 into 6. So this would be 72. And therefore the total would be 180. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, how to do this question?
So, so this we can divide it in two parts. So
Okay.
this because 7 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. So
Yeah.
we subtract and this will be 3 centimeter, and then 2 into 3, so we get 6 centimeter square.
Okay.
And then this one is 4 into 5, so 20 centimeter square. Then the total area will be 26 centimeter square.
Great. Satya, any doubt?
No,
Satya, how to do B part?
sir, I divided the shape in two parts. So the rectangle's area would be 8 into 5, which is 40 centimeter square, and the triangle area would be 30 centimeter square
Why?
because the base is 5 centimeter, and then as to find the height, I have subtracted 14 by 8.
Okay.
So I got the answer as 30 centimeter.
Half base into height. Height is 6 centimeter. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So area of the triangle would be half base into altitude. This would be 15. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Satya, you need to check your answers. Once you have done the question, you need to check your answers. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, B part.
So I didn't understand this. How do we find the curved parts area?
Oh, Satya, have you done it?
Yes, sir. I did the below part, but I didn't understand how to find the curve part area.
Okay. This curved part is half of a circle. Have you understood?
Yes,
This is actually a semicircle. The semicircle has a radius of 5 centimeter. Satya, have you understood?
yes,
Now the area of a full circle is pi r square. Therefore, area of semicircle, Satya, would be
so I'm not getting it.
half pi r square. Have you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
If this is full circle, then the semicircle would be half pi r square. So if I have to find the area of this semicircle, this would be equal to half. The value of pi is 22 by 7. The radius is 5 square. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
This would be equal to half 22 by 7 into 25. Any doubt?
No,
So I do 25 into 22. My answer is 550. So this is area of the semicircle. Sarthak, have you understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next part is to find the area of this rectangle. The area of the rectangle would be 5 into 10 is equal to 50 centimeters square. Any doubt about this?
No,
So the total area would be 50 plus 550 by 4. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
I'm sorry, this would be 550 by 14. And then you can find the answer. Satya, any doubt?
no,
You can write this formula that area of a semicircle is half pi r square. Can you note this down? Yes, Satya. How did you do A part?
So, sir, I first found the area of the rectangle. So, I did 8 multiplied by 5, which is 40 centimeters square. And then I found the area of the smaller rectangle, which is 3 into 2, which is 6. So then I subtracted 40 by 6. So I got the answer as 34 centimeters square.
Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, how to do B part?
So I didn't understand B part, I did the C part.
Satya, have you done B part?
No, sir, I also didn't understand B part.
Satya, what do you think? How will we find how how will we find the
1,
A? Yeah.
1 upon 2
Okay.
bracket 12 bracket 9.
What should I do next?
Then we need to find the area of the circle.
This will be
Uh, uh 22. So this is the pi one only, right? 22
yes,
upon 7. Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
So Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What should I do next? So if I have to find the area of the shaded region, what should I do next?
Then subtract 550 upon 7 by 54.
Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
How should I do C part, Sarthak?
So for the for the whole area, we'll do 7 into 9, so 63 centimeters square. Then we'll find the area of the smaller rectangle. That will be 24 centimeters square. Then we'll subtract 63 from 24, 24 from 63, and the answer is 39 centimeters square.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, how to do?
So first we'll do 10 into 15 to find the whole area.
Okay.
Then we'll do 6 into 5 to find the smaller rectangle's area. Then we'll subtract both of these, so 120 centimeters square.
Mr. Satya, is it okay?
4 into 8 to find the area of the rectangle.
Okay. What next?
Then we need to do 22 upon 7 into 4. Uh, no, it would be, it's a semicircle.
Yes.
So,
What is the area of a semicircle?
so 1 upon 2 pi in, okay.
So Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So I will add 176 upon 7 to 32 and I will have the final answer. Any doubt about this?
No,
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.